I know you want to be successful, but how will you keep yourself motivated? In this highly competitive world out there, you need to compete with your competencies to emerge as a winner in life. Your willpower, your determination, your self-discipline, your highest level of self-motivation will emerge you as a winner. Welcome to iFly Station.
Do you want to be recognized as an outstanding leader? Do you want to achieve great success in life? Do you know the options that you have? Careers tomorrow are going to be entirely different from what we see them today. It is time to prepare for the future and keep your career options open. Welcome to the iFly Station.
Studying hard is okay, but what about studying smart? Yes, smart learning is the key. It is time to learn smart through memory and mind mapping. Have stress-free preparation for exams. Make studying and preparing for exams a fun activity. Welcome to iFly Station.
Tomorrow is unpredictable. In this scenario, you should be stronger, bolder, and confident to face the tougher challenges of life. Welcome to iFly Station.
You're good, but how about being extraordinary? It's the time to sharpen your skills. Set bigger goals. Be focused. Be more creative. Improve your communication skills. Manage your time well. Become an effective public speaker. More than anything, take an initiative to lead others successfully. Welcome to iFly Station.
So the first goal of any child is that because of me, my parents should get good name. My village should get good name. My state should get good name. And the nation should get good name. This should be your first goal in your life.
8142646940 82705199126576. Just believe in yourself. You too have the super brain.
It's not important that where you began. It's very important where you end up. So failures will come every day, and then each failure brings in an opportunity. And then you go back and then you think about the same thing. Next day morning you better that, and then you go and then you say, thank God I failed yesterday.
Equip yourselves with the new skills to survive and excel in the new world.
Study smart. Outbid the competition.
Put that extra effort to become extraordinary.
Be a leader, be a winner.
This program was not to the level that I expected, but it was much more than that.
Even after 10 years or 20 years or 30 years or 40 years, I'll surely remember this iFly Station, the Winners Workshop.
If it goes more 100 days, I'll attend it and I love it a lot.
This is Sesha Januvitla. After participating in the iFly Winners Workshop, I learned many things. Some of my favorite things that I learned are time management, leadership, public speaking, creativity, and the formula for success. Also, I learned memory skills and how to do mathematics quickly. On top of all these things, as if they weren't enough, we even learned how to be directly successful in the form of a success mantra. All in all, this workshop transformed me from an ordinary person to an extraordinary person. I acquired and learned how to acquire many qualities that will lead me to be on a path of success. Thank you so much to all the speakers.
This workshop lets us to know what we are and what we should be.
Workshop is an amazing window in which you can meet influential, passionate, dedicated winners to take off into your successful future.
Hello, my name is Nagajan Vitla, and this workshop has given me helpful teachings to make me fly high and become a winner. This workshop has been a great experience, and I'll remember it for my whole life. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sean Taylor, and I go to 7th grade at Reedy Creek Magnet Middle School in America. I truly believe that the Winners Workshop is an informational, inspirational, breathtaking, and memorable moment of my life.
Thank you, iFly Station, a platform from where we can take off on a successful journey.
And finally, I'm going to miss Pradeep sir and Saraswati ma'am.
Get set go to fly high with iFly Station. Winners Workshop Season 2. Flag off your future.
Unlock your child's potential during this vacation. 2 courses on life skills, each with 5 transforming sessions. Every day 8 a.m. PST, 11 a.m. EST. Course 1 starting from 6th July 2020. Course 2 starting from 13th July 2020. For registrations, you can mail to iflystation@gmail.com or contact Dilip Kondiparthi 408 888 0464.
iFly Station, the Winners Workshop.